Teachers are nurses, they are custodians, they are disciplinarians, they are that one mother that child is probably missing at home, and they're that big sister, that big role model that the kids are there to look up to. I'm Diana, and I'm a school principal. I grew up in a family where education was a priority. My mom and dad immigrated to this country from Guanajuato, Mexico, in hopes of having a better life and be able to put us through college. I just remember my mom and my dad working really hard. My dad was probably working 20, 21 hours a day for the very little money that they were getting paid. I grew up poor, so on the first day of school, we saw kids wearing brand new clothing, brand new shoes, but we couldn't afford to have it. We wore used clothes, mostly from the flea market or the yard sales. Girls would pick on me. It made me feel horrible. And I would come home and I would tell my mom, like, Mom, I just wish my dad could afford to buy me new things. And knowing that she wanted to cry, but she was holding herself very strong. She would always say, one day when you have your first paycheck, you can actually buy all the shoes you want. And we are sorry that we can't afford more, but we know that you have a good future ahead of you. So the first time that I went into Sephora was when it opened at JCPenney. When I walked in there, it was like you had walked into heaven. That's when I said, this is my place. And this is where I'm going to get all the makeup that I once upon a time craved as a kid. In my high school, I was top 100, carrying on those morals and values that my parents instilled. I applied to 3 top universities that I wanted to attend. I was accepted to all 3. After that, I graduated. I taught for 6 years. And in 2012, I became a school principal. And I can tell you, it's the most rewarding thing. Every morning I'm there greeting the families, especially my students. I get special hugs from them. When they come to me and say, Mrs. Garcia, when I grow older, I want to look like you. It makes me feel beautiful because I am someone that my students can look up to. Our teachers nowadays play such an important role in children's lives. We are there to inspire and touch that one little student's life that could be going through the struggles that we went through as kids and help them overcome those struggles.